So now we are going to see the instruction compare B. In this instruction, the first portion is opcode, that is C and B. The remaining portion is known as operand, that is register. In this instruction, you can see that no data is present. It means this instruction is of 1 byte. What is the meaning of this instruction? Compare register. It means compare the content of register with accumulator. Compare the content of register with accumulator. Let's see one example. Suppose the instruction is C and B, B. It means compare the content of B with accumulator. But how the microprocessor performs the comparison? So to perform this instruction, to perform comparison, microprocessor will simply perform the arithmetic subtraction between the register B and accumulator. So when this instruction is executed, microprocessor will perform the subtraction between accumulator and register B. So how this instruction is different from the subtraction? Because in the 8085 there is a one instruction which is known as subtract. So what is the difference between the subtract and compare? So in the subtraction, when the instruction is executed, the answer will be stored in the accumulator. But in the comparison, the same subtraction process will be done by the microprocessor, but answer will be not stored in the accumulator. So how we are going to know that whether the answer is positive, negative or 0? So after the compare instruction is executed, we have to see the status of flag. From the status of flags, we are going to know whether the answer is positive, negative or 0. So let's see the first case. Suppose after executing the compare B instruction, if the carry flag is 0 and 0 flag is also 0. After executing the compare B, if carry flag is 0 and 0 flag is also 0, it means the content of accumulator is greater than the content of B. It means our answer is positive. Suppose after performing the compare B instruction, the content of carry flag is 1 and content of 0 flag is 0. So when content of carry flag is 1 and 0 flag is 0, it means the data in the accumulator is smaller than the register B. It means the answer we are getting is negative. And if after performing the same instruction, if the content of carry flag is 0 and 0 flag is 1, it means both numbers are same and answer is 0. Okay? Now let's see the machine cycle. Because this instruction is only 1 byte instruction, when this instruction is stored in the memory, it will occupy only one memory location. So compare B. When this instruction is stored in the memory, the processor will start doing its task, that is to fetch, decode and execute. To fetch, it will perform the first machine cycle, that is opcode fetch. Now when microprocessor performs the opcode fetch, this instruction will be transferred to the microprocessor. Then processor will decode and execute. During the execution, you can clearly see that all the processes are done within a microprocessor. So during execution, no interaction with memory or IO device is done. It means only one machine cycle is required, that is opcode fetch. Now let's see the status of flag. Now when this instruction is executed, all the flags will be affected. But from the status of carry and 0 flag, we can decide whether the content of accumulator is greater than content of register, or content of accumulator is smaller than content of register, or the content of accumulator is equal to the content of register. And this is it.